Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited about today's recipe because Chad is here to help us make what?
We're making the jerk shrimp rasta pasta.
Oh, Chad. All right, so what have we done thus far?
So we seasoned the shrimp with some garlic powder, some jerk marinade, a bunch of different seasonings.
Yeah,
then
smells amazing.
Thank you. Then we went into the pot, we let the pot get hot a little bit, then we let the oil get hot. Once the oil got hot, we then threw the shrimp on top of it.
Okay.
While I was getting ready, we then started to work on the pasta, making the sauce for the pasta.
Okay.
We then went into throwing the same seasonings that we used. Well, actually, we threw in the aromatic first, right? The garlic, the onions, the green onions, right?
Yeah,
Let that saute just a little bit. And then we threw the heavy cream in. And then the same seasonings that we used with the shrimp, we threw it into the sauce for the pasta.
Yep, seasonings matter.
Yes.
Yep. And then what happened next? You threw the pasta in.
Yes, we threw the pasta in, we threw the cheese in, we let that mix up just a little bit, right?
Okay.
Now it's time to throw the magical shrimp in.
Yes, and it looks fabulous. I'm gonna taste this.
Okay.
So after you throw the shrimp in, you throw in?
We throw in the bell peppers. We're just gonna let this mix up for a little bit, right? Mix up just a little bit.
This is so good. Why did you choose this dish?
Oh, I actually chose this dish because I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York, and I guess that's where Rasta Pasta originated. And I just wanted to taste back home while I was a senior in college at Buffalo State. And my roommate, also from Brooklyn, we just got into it together. We started making it together, and then the story's been written ever since. I've changed up my recipe since then, but yeah, no, definitely, because like Chef Darian Bryan, shout out to him, he makes a great Rasta Pasta.
He does.
I feel like this one is better. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this one is definitely better.
Let me tell you, Chef Darian does have an amazing Rasta Pasta.
I know, shout out to him.
Yes, all right, so head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. I promise you, you will love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me, it's amazing.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.